about your damn, don't worry about my hiccups. 3 days I've had hiccups. Ah! Ah! Go! Ah! Now I'm starting to have a freaking headache. Ah! Where's the sugar? Spoonful of sugar keeps the hiccups away. Hiccups away. Spoonful of sugar keeps the hiccups away. Hiccups away. Hiccups away. Spoonful of sugar keeps the hiccups away. Ah!
My teacher always said 30 steps of water would work.
What?
Drink water upside down and your hiccups will go away.
You'll drown.
No, you won't. No, you won't.
Whoever came up with that and ah! Invention's fucked. Stupid, you drown. Will you take my hiccups for me?
No.
God almighty, 3 days of these bitches.
Random will take them though.
You know the only thing that gets rid of hiccups? Valium. Why are you licking your lips?
I'm not.
Someone needs to be licking mine. You know what it's like to have hiccups for 3 days?
Yeah, I don't
I
want
do,
that.
and it sucks!